Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video, I want to talk about a very common term that is used by the smart money concept traders. And that term is the change of character. Now you might be thinking that this term seems pretty difficult to grab, but let me tell you, it is just a fancier way of saying there is a change in trend in the market. So let me just explain it in the diagram and then we'll look at some example to clear the concept. So first of all, let me just draw this trend. Here you can see that in this trend there is continuous formation of these higher highs and higher lows. So what this means is whenever there is formation of these higher highs and higher lows in the market, that means that market is going in the bullish direction. So there is this higher high, again a higher high, and then there is this higher high. And if we look here, there is the formation of these lower lows in the market. So this indicates that there is a bullish trend in the market. Now, when the character of market changes, what happens is after the formation of this higher low, there's the formation of a lower low. So after that, because of this change in character, because after the formation of this higher low, there is a formation of this lower low. So market broke this level and did not respect this higher low. So because of that, the market's character has changed, and that's why it's called change of character. And this is an indication of saying that now the trend is changing from bullish to bearish, and now the sellers are taking control of the market. And this also gives us an idea about the order flow in the market, because when the order flow was in the bullish direction, or there were more buy orders, then market was moving in the bullish direction. But when the flow has changed towards sellers or in the sell direction, then the market is now changing its character by making this low low and breaking this high low to form a bearish trend in the market. Now what should we do once we have detected that there is a change in character? Mostly, whenever there is a change in character, the highest high that the market has reached is the area of interest. And there are multiple ways you can use this area of interest in your trading. So let me just increase this opacity so that you can see this area of interest. So we'll mark that area down, and after that we'll wait for the price to pull back into this area. And once it does, since this is the supply, because this is a supply zone, because here the market changed its character, so that's why there must be a lot of sell orders that are pending. And once the market reaches this level, it will give a very impulsive bearish move, and we want to take that move to take profit in the market. Now let me just go ahead and show you in the examples how you can use it in your trading. Now here in this example, you can see that there is a continuous formation of these higher highs and higher lows in the market, and this is the highest point that the market has reached, and this is the last higher low that market has made. So we can mark this higher low, and after the formation of this higher low, we can see that there is this higher high, and after this higher high, we can see the market did not respect this higher low, and there is the formation of this lower low level. So now what happened is there is a change in character of the market, and the trend is reversing from bullish to bearish, and we want to use this change in trend and change in character in our favor. So as I said in the beginning, that we're going to mark this area down, because this area is the supply area. And now by looking at this single candle, you might not be able to see the supply zone clearly forming here, but there is for sure a supply zone in the market at some higher level, because at this level the market has changed its character. So we're going to mark this area down as our supply zone, and as I said, after the change in character, the market is going to come back into this zone to pick the pending order. So as you can see, right after the change in character at this candle here, we can see that the market pulled back into this area of interest and to the supply zone, and after that, by picking the pending orders, pending sell orders from here, the market gave this bearish move in the market. So now what we can do is, we saw that there is the formation of these higher highs and higher lows in the market. So we can target these higher highs and higher lows as our partial take profit levels. So since these are two higher highs and these are two higher lows that were forming before the change in character, so to enter the market, we can use the supply zone, and there is a separate video explaining how you can detect the supply and demand zones in the market. So if you're not sure about supply zones, please check that video out, and then you'll be able to understand it. Also, you can use our supply and demand indicator to automatically detect these supply and demand zones for you on the chart. So after the market pulled back into the supply zone, and after picking the pending orders according to the supply and demand zones trading strategy, we can use these higher lows for take profit levels. So for example, here you can see that the market, let me just mark this area down. So here you can see market came back till this area, and this area is now will act as support, and here you can see our take profit level has met. So we have been able to take profit using this higher low as our target, and this is how we traded using the change of character in the market and the supply zone in the market. Now let me just show you another example of the bullish reversal or change in character. So here you can see that there is continuous formation of these lower highs and lower lows in the market. So after each lower high, there is a formation of a lower low in the market, and this is the last lower high the market reached, and this is the last lower low that the market has reached. Now after the formation of these waves in the market, we can see that this is the last lower low that the market has reached, and we can mark this area down because this will be our area of interest if there is a change in character. And if we look closely here, since this was our last lower high formed, and here we can see the market did not respect this lower high, and that's why there is a change in character. So now the trend is changing from bearish to bullish, and we'll mark this area down as our demand zone, and we'll wait for future in the market in the future to come back to this area and pick the orders that are present at this demand zone. So now if we zoom out, we can see that the market did come back to pick these pending orders, and here with the formation of this bullish pin bar, we are pretty sure that now the market is going to move in the bullish direction, because after the formation of this bullish pin bar, the breakout is in the bullish direction with the next candle. So this confirms that the market is going to move in the bullish direction. So we can take our entry at this high of our demand zone, and again we'll be targeting the level of the last lower high. So as you can see here, this was our last lower high that formed before the lower high where the change of character happened. So we can mark this area down, and here you can see after picking the order at this candle here, the market went in the bullish direction and did hit our take profit level here. So this is how you can use the change of character in your trading. I hope you were able to understand the concept of changing character, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. I would love to answer them. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.